Hi everyone, it's Janice from the Reading Train. This story is called Whoosh, A Watery World of Wonderful Creatures, written by Marilyn Baillie, illustrated by Susan Mitchell. When you swim in the sea or splash in your bath, do you wonder what water creature you'd like to be? Turn the page to see which amazing animals love water just like you. I am a playful dolphin, leaping high out of the sea. I use my dolphin talk to keep in touch with my friends. Squeak, whistle, click, click, click. I am a water strider, but guess why I'm called the magic bug? I can race across lakes and ponds. My light body and long legs help me walk on water. Doesn't that seem like magic? Shh! I'm a great blue heron, fishing for my supper. Silently, I keep watch through the ripples. Splash! In a flash, my long, strong beak catches a wriggling fish. Slurp! I swallow it whole. I'm a tired alligator, cruising and keeping cool in the river. When it's time for my nap, I flop onto the rocks and snooze the day away. I'm a River Otter Pup. My mom pulls me into the chilly water for my first swimming lesson. Patiently, she teaches me to paddle and dive. Look at me float. I am an orca whale swimming up for air. When I breathe out through my blowhole, I send up a fountain of spray. Whoosh! I am a hermit crab hunting for a home. On the sandy seabed, I slip into an empty shell and settle down to stay. It feels just right. I'm a baby elephant having a bath with my mum. It's been a long, hot walk to our favorite watering hole. Swoosh! That's cool. Spray me some more. I'm a clownfish, and I stay safe in the sea anemone's stinging tentacles. I flutter about and look out from my wavy hiding spot. Peekaboo! I am not just any penguin. I'm an emperor penguin. When I go fishing with my friends, we love to slide on our sleek bellies and dive into the sea. Whee! I bet you can't guess that I am a shark. A tasseled woebegong shark. I fool these fish too, with my seaweed disguise. Still as a stone, I wait and wait at the bottom of the reef. Then chomp! I catch my dinner. Water is precious to you, to me, to all living things. Can you think of ways that you use water? If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to click on subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upcoming video.